Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching DPAT TV. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Urdaneta in Pangasinan, inside DPAT's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paragraph proudly welcoming you all to another Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DPAT's Tamiyo League Stock Motor Conference. So, moving on to our Run and Gun Wednesday edition, race day number 4 of the 9 race days scheduled this month. We are now going to our ranking phase right away. Yung ipakilala na natin yung mga magkakalaban, Metalder on screens, naka-plus po dyan. It's going to be Metalder, Setsuna, McLaren, MP, Polaris, Venom, and Myrick, the comebacking Myrick, replacing the other Lingayen Survivor, Neon Sama. So without further ado, we'll now race right away with our race number 1 of the ranking phase tonight. Today dahil mga pasado alas 5 pa lang po ng hapon, papunta pa lang sa gabi, papuntang gabi pa lang. Well, sige, pag alas 6 na, tsaka magandang gabi ulit na. Alright, ranking phase starting right away with this matchup between MP and Polaris. Ayun ang una nating matchup sa ating ngayong Run and Gun Wednesday edition ng ating DPAT's Tamiya League SMC. And in this race number 1, this time, ang mga higher seeded cars ngayon magsisimula sa umpisa sa pinakaunang karera natin, lane 1 ang starting lane ng mga higher seeded cars. All Wednesdays actually. Yung first 4 Monday, all Mondays naman ay lane 2. Tapos sa pagdating ng Sabado o October 28, that is the final day o final race day before going to the, kasi boboto po tayo ng mga barangay at captains, kagawad, saka SK chairman in kagawad. Magboboto po tayo for our barangay, respective barangay on October 30. Kaya yung mangyayari dyan, yung supposed to be October 30, lilipat na po ng October 28, Sabado. Sabado po yun. No? So, tatapusin natin yung October 2023 on Saturday, October 28. So, dun sa October 28 schedule na lang, toss coin na lang. Kung saan yung una, kung lane 1 o lane 2 ulit. Na, toss coin na lang po yan. Alright, pag ganun kasi yan, pag 9 race day schedule, pag 8, yun, tama-tama. Kung ano yung una dun sa, all the way na yan, hanggang matapos. Patas lang. Alright. So, moving on with our Run and Gun Wednesday edition today on DTL SMC. Let's begin this race number 1 featuring MP versus Polaris. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1. And Polaris starting at lane 2. Alright mga ka-DPAT, let's get this party started on the Run and Gun Wednesday afternoon right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Beginning with this race number 1 of the ranking phase. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Patay. Napasuka. Aray. Logan. Natulong eh. Welcome back. Draw. Run and Gun Wednesday Run and Gun Wednesday edition today of DPAT's Tamiya League SMC will begin with a draw from MP and Polaris. So, sino yung unang natumba? Si MP. Therefore, yun ang unang lalaban kay Metalder. So, semis rematch pala. Semis rematch sa race number 4. Okay. Draw game. 1 point each. Alright. Next. Listen na natin. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on with our race number 2. Race number 2 today will feature McLaren taking on Venom in our race number 2, Battle of Let's and Go Villains this time around. And it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2 and Venom starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 2, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Tatay. Ha! Tatay. Gato, biglang huminto. Tumirik. Final up. Drunken Master ngayon si Venom. Venom winner. Biglang Drunken Master di oras eh. Narag. Biglang tumirik. Ano kaya yun? Napitan. Narag. Biglang napitan. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Narag. McLaurin lost. Surprisingly lost to Venom again. Be like Nani. 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 Race number 3 will feature Setsuna taking on Muric, the comebacking Muric, the other Lingen survivor replacing Neon Sara. And in this race number 3, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, Muric at lane 2. Alright, race number 3, switch on. Nako, halimaw. Ready, set, bye. Good. Okay. Good. Satu. Rogen. Napasukan ko ba't di darag? Rogen. Draw. Una natumba. Una sumabit actually. Mary. Drop. Race number 3 ended in a draw. Next. Race number 4. Alright. Metalder will start off its title defense against Empay in our race number 4 today, in our Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DTL SMC as we continue Oktoberfest this month. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 2, Empay starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 4. Switch on. Halimaw. Ready, set, bye. Habol pa yata. Last 2. Final up. Patay! Kembang, laser arm! Oh! Sumabit din, sayang. Laser arm na sana. Drogin pa. Drog. Drogin. Tabla po ulit. Tabla manin. At least huling natumba si Metalder. Finals rematch agad ang race number 7 mamaya. Finals rematch na kagad tayo between Metalder and Setsuna in our race number 7 today. Holy smoke. Panalo na sana, naging bato pa. Hurug. Tirig. Okay. Next. Race number 5. Alright. Race number 5 na po tayo. Race number 5, it's going to be Venom taking on Polaris. Battle of Super 2, ang ating labanan sa race number 5. So, Battle of Marvels. Battle of Marvel characters ito. Venom for Spider-Man, top kalaban ni Spider-Man, at saka si Polaris na member ng X-Factor, si Lorna Dane. No? So, in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1. Polaris again, starting at lane 2. Alright. Race number 5. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Modo gala bumbang bumbang gang deng 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 deng. Na kuryente. Final lap. KO. Durog. Venom winner 2-0. Durog. Tapos na kasi si Polaris, yan ang race 1 kanina eh. Dito na yan. Saan na yan? Loser iintayin nito. Loser iintayin ni Polaris mamaya. Venom 2-0. Venom versus Polaris. Swabe lang yung takbo ni ano. Takbo ni Venom. Biglang Drunken Master. Drunken Master, di oras, darag. Up. Ay, medyo mababa ah. Tas natin konti. Okay. 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 Uy. Mali. 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 Ito pala dapat. Alright. Ano na yan? Tama ba? Polaris Venom. Yun. Okay. Next, race number 6. Tapos na kasi si Polaris kay MP. Yun yung una talaga eh. Race number 6 na po tayo right away. McLaren taking on Merrick in this race number 6. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1. Alright, race number 6. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Oh. KO, winner. Winner na yun, winner. May panalo na. Hindi ko nasalo eh. Nahingal yung inyong lingkod. Di ko na nasalo. McLaren winner by hit. McLaren won by hit. Panalo na si McLaren. Merrick lost to McLaren by hit. Natulumi. Nasigawan ng tulumi si McLaren. Buti na lang hindi Batumi. Kung si McLaren yung natumba doon, Batumi sigaw doon eh. Batumi! Batumi sinigaw doon, yari. Yari. Yari ka. Eka nga ni Kuya Bitoy eh, ni Michael B. Yari ka! Alright, finals rematch na po tayo ng Run It Monday edition natin last Monday. Rematch na po ng championship race. The recent championship race between Metalder and Setsuna. Setsuna trying to settle a score against Metalder in this race number 7, wherein the starting lane of the cars are as follows. Metalder at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2. Alright, race number 7, finals rematch from last Monday. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Copy. Last finger. Final up. Swabe ah. KO. Winner. Walang laser arm, durog. Mas malakas yung espada ni Hades. Hades sword kaysa sa laser arm. Setsuna winner. Nakabawi kay Metalder. Isan. Isan. nakabawi kay Metalder na laser arm. Ereg. Race number 8 tayo. Alright. Race number 8 will feature Venom taking on MP. Yan, yung nag-rematch, ay yung naglaban sa quarterfinals nung nakaraang Lunes, sila magkatapat sa ating race number 8. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2, Venom at lane 1. It's blue versus white right here in this race number 8. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Good. Last two. Final lap. Kailangan na mag-recycle ng baterya talaga. Di pa kasi ako nag-cycle eh. Kaya gano'n na lang kaina. Tamad na kasi mag-cycle ng baterya eh. Venom winner. Remaining unbeaten. Luset pala. Ay, tapos na. Tapos na. Tapos na pala si, Metalder kay MP. Yun nga yung race number 4. Ay, ako. Teka muna. Official timeout kay, Metalder. Official timeout muna tayo kay Metalder. Medyo may nakasabit pala. Okay. May sumabit lang doon sa wheels. Loss to MP. VE. Si Venom bumabawi. 6 points na kagad. 6 points kagad. Ano kaya yun? Race number 9 na tayo. Alright. Race number 9 will feature Polaris taking on Muric. And in this matchup, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1 and Muric starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 9. Switch on. Marvel versus Power Rangers. Mangyayari dito. Ready, set, bye. Oh, hit! Winner! Winner! Etong sayo. Ipit ka ngayon. Muric winner by hit. Alright. Ano ba yun? Winner ito. Katapos na. Ay, dito siya. Ipit. Okay. Ipit. Ipit ka ngayon. Loko. Muric won over Polaris. Red mark kay Polaris, dalawa. Hit yon, second hit of Wednesday. Second hit of our Run and Gun Wednesday today. Yan. Okay. Race number 10. If I'm not mistaken, that's 10. Let's see. 18 dapat yan. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Teka. Ba't gano'n? Pandali lang. Officials time out. 18. Ayun. Tama. 3-0 nga pala, Venom. Tama. Recap tayo, recap. Recap tayo. Pala. Metalder, 1 loss, 1 draw, check. Setsuna, 1 win, 1 draw, check. McLaurin, 1 win, 1 loss, check. MP, 2 draws, 1 loss, draw, check. Polaris, ayun, hindi ko pa nalagyan. Ayun, hindi ko pa pala nalagyan. Tapos, Venom, 3 pala. Ayun, tama. Tapos split kay Miri. Yun. Okay. Race number 10. Alright. Race number 10 right away. It's going to be Setsuna taking on McLaren in our race number 10. And in this matchup, battle of all-time rivals right here in this race number 10, wherein Setsuna starts at lane 2, McLaren at lane 1. Alright, race number 10. Switch on. Ready, set, time. Bakuni. Hodala, bumbang, bumbang, ding, 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 ding. Itan. Ipip. Eto sa'yo. Setsuna winner again by hit this time. Oh, pangatlong hit na yun kagad. Dirig. Ano ba yung si Mirik? Panalo, talo. Papalit yan. Talo. Oh, which is McLaren. Hit again. Setsuna this time won. Pangalawa ni Setsuna. McLaren, pangalawang pulang marka. Masakit nun, hit pa. Dulug. Nasagot pa. Pukuchukong. Kasi. 6. Tama, pangatlo. Alright, next. Race number 11, Metalder taking on Venom. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1, Venom at lane 2. Alright, race number 11, switch on. Nasa second half na tayo ng ating ranking phase. Ready, set, bye. Yan, maganda to, takbuhan natin. Last two, Metalder. Final lap. Okay, okay na ba ito, me? Mas mabagal na nga lang eh. Nag-wrong way pa. Biglang nasigawan ng tulumi. Aray. Aray ko po. Mas mabagal na nga, nasigawan pa. Ano kaya yun? Dirig. Metalder winner. Laser arm. Laser arm lang nga sa kalam. Sabay ng Alaska eh, no? Dirig. Sabay ng Alaska di oras eh. Ang gandang laban sana. Buti na lang nakakapit sa lamang si Metalder. Kaya po. Metalder with a green mark already. So sina NPF Polaris na lang ang wala pang green mark. Venom losing for the first time. So down to last two assignments si Venom. Last two na lang. Si Setsuna at Merrick na lang ang hindi pa niya nakakalaban. Ayun, tama. Next, race number 12. Race number 12 will feature MP taking on Merrick. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2 and Merrick starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 12. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Magandang laban ka. Aba, umilit. Oh, patay. Nasugtugo. Lato. Let's see. Final lap. Okay, winner. Yari. Tredazord awaken. Yari kayo. Merrick winner. What an upset. Darag. Ano yung last na nangyari? Si Venom talo, no? Tama, yung panalo. Correct. Tapos na si Metalder kay MP. Tama. Tama ito. Tama ito. Tama to. Merrick, McLaurin, Polaris na lang yung natitirang assignment ni Metalder. Si Merrick naman, last 2 assignments niya, Metalder and Venom. Ano na yun? Panalo si Merrick. Pangalawa, Merrick against MP. 1. Tapos MP lost again. Lost again. What an upset. What an upset. Narag. Race number 13 na po tayo. McLaurin taking on Polaris. Yung dalawang imbangin magkakalaban ngayon sa ating race number 13. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaurin starting at lane 1 and Polaris starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ganda laban to. Ayan ang magandang laban, oh. Yeah! McLaurin ahead. Let's see if Polaris can catch up. Last 2 laps. Final lap. Patay, nahihipa. Naunahan na, nahihipa. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? McLaurin, winner. Darag. Ayun, dito na. Si Polaris, ang last assignment niya ata ay si... Hindi, may dalawa pa. Ang last assignment ni Polaris after McLaurin, yung top 2. Setso na Metalder. Last 2. Okay. So sa kasong ito, after nung Setso na Venom, dito na si Setso na mamaya. Yun. Okay. Lost pala, by the way. Polaris lost to McLaurin. Buti na lang, walang hit. Pero kita mo yun naman yung magandang laban na yun. At least kahit takbuang lasing. Kita mo naman. Talagang competitive. Nakapanalo rin. Ay hindi, pangalawa na pala ni McLaurin yan. Polaris has yet to win. Has yet to score a victory today. Alright. Next, race number 14 na tayo. Dark Warriors battle between Setsuna and Venom. Yung dalawang magkaribal nung unang sigwada natin sa Dipats Tamiya League SMC. Sila magkalaban sa ating race number 14 wherein Setsuna starts at lane 2 and Venom starting at lane 1. Alternate lane po tayo ngayon, ha? Alright, race number 14. Switch on. It's blue versus purple. Ready, set, bye. Patay, nagwala. Nagwala si Setsuna. Patay. Lasto. Pag nabutan na, tapos yan. Final lap. Okay, game over. That's it. That's it. Awat na. Nabutan eh. Easton. Setsuna, winner. Easton. Naabutan eh. Pag naabutan pong ganon, kahit hindi pa tapos yung lap requirement, basta naabutan yung mas mabagal, panalo na yung mas mabilis. Definitely talo na yung mas mabagal. Automatic. Automatic po yun. Outright winner na po yun. Talagang walang re-race yan. Definitely. Red ba to? Venom Setsuna. Lost. Final assignment for Venom against Merrick. Si Merrick ang last assignment ni Venom. Tapos, green. Win. Setsuna win over Venom. 3-1. 3 wins, 1 draw. Si Venom naman, pangalawang talo na niya yan. With only 1 assignment left. Alright, race number 15 na tayo. Battle of VZ Chassis Machines right now in our race number 15 between Metalder and Merrick. So it's going to be a Metal Hero versus Power Ranger match-up sa ating race number 15. And also Battle of VZ Chassis Machines wherein Metalder starts at lane 1 Merrick at lane 2. Alright, race number 15, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Boom! Patay! Sumabay ka pa. Sasabay ka pa. Nako, nagwala na. Naloko na. Last two. Last two lap. Final lap. Laser arm. Laser arm. Metalder winner. Laser arm. Tarag. Na laser arm ka, no? Na laser arm si Merrick. Darag. Alright. Ayos. Race 16. Okay. Race number 16 na tayo. Agad-agad. Between McLaren and MP. And in this matchup, race for third rematch from previous Monday. Sa matchup na to, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2, MP at lane 1. Again, lane 2 for McLaren, MP at lane 1 as their respective starting lanes in this race number 16. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Nako, quick start. Buti na lang, hindi quick end down. Hinabol! Nako, patay. MP, lamang na. Last two laps. Natitod pa si McLaren. On to the final lap. Patay. Sayang. Sayang. Panalo na sana, naging bato pa. McLaren winner. Ang ganda sanang karera yon mga kadipat. Diyos ka po, Pineapple Bayan. Ang gandang karera sana. Tapos na sana. Pera na, naging bato pa. Durog. Pera na, naging bato pa. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? MP last assignment, Setsuna. Tapos, ang last assignment naman ni McLaren ay si Metalder. Last na pala ni McLaren ito, si Metalder. Ngayon si MP, ang last niya, si Setsuna. Alright. Okay. Tama na ba? Ano ko na? Ay, hindi pa. MP 2 draws, 3 losses pala. Okay. Tapos si McLaren, 3 wins, 2 losses. Yun, 3-2. Alright. Race number 17 na tayo. Setsuna Polaris. Sepo. Yun. Alright. Race number 17 is going to be Setsuna taking on Polaris. And in this race number 17, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1. And Polaris starting at lane 2. Alright. Race number 17. Switch on. SNK versus Marvel. Ready, set, bye. Dagang! Rogi. Draw game. Draw. Ayun, pay sets na. Last na. Last na ata ni Polaris yan eh. Yeah, hindi pa. May isa pa. Metalder last ni Polaris. Blue. Draw against Setsuna. Nagwala si Setsuna bigla. Durog. Yari. Polaris 2 points. Alright, race number 18 na tayo kagad. Venom Merrick. Dito. Yung. Race number 18 na po tayo kagad. It's going to be Venom taking on Merrick. And in this race number 18, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1. Alright, race number 18. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Naku po, nagwala. Patay. Sabi ko na eh. Sabi lang ako. Last 2 laps. Final lane changer Venom. Final lap. Ang baba ng talon. Baka. KO. Venom, winner. Alright. Alright. So, last na, hindi. So, si Merrick, last na niya si Venom. Tapos na si Merrick. So, Merrick will close out its campaign with a loss against Venom. Venom, tapos na rin pala. Tapos na rin pala si Venom. So, therefore, 4-2 para kay Venom. 4 wins, 2 losses. 8 points total. Merrick naman, final score niya will be 2 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw. Therefore, 5 points. Okay. Alright. So, 4-8. Tapos, ito naman, 2-5. Yan. Alright. So, tapos na pala yung dalawa. So ito na lang yung mga natitira pala, 5 no? Down to our last 3 races. Sino ba yung Sino ba yung may dalawang assignment pa? Si MP, si Setsuna ang last. Ganon din si Setsuna. Si McLaren, ang last niya ay si Metalder. Si Metalder ang mayroon pang dalawa. Okay. Tapos si Polaris yung last. Okay. Tama lang pala. Tama lang pala to. Tama. Metalder pala yung may dalawa pa. Okay. Last 3 races of the ranking phase tonight. It's going to be Metalder taking on McLaren in our race number 19. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1 and McLaren starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 19. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. McLaren ahead. Boom! Nabasuka! Nabasuka ni Madam Corbett D. Okay, last 2. Tama lang pala, control yung baterya. Final lap, grabe yung talon na. Laser arm! Laser arm lang sa kalam. Metalder winner. So McLaren unfortunately closing out its ranking phase campaign with a narrow defeat at the hands of Metalder, or at the expense of Metalder rather. Sinabi kong at the expense pala dapat yung correct doon English. Alright. Laser arm. Nabazooka ni Cobalt B. Pao Bogum. Nayari siya dun sa bouncing street Dog. Yari. Ang final score kay McLaren ay 6 points. 3 split. Actually split in wins and losses. Split. All of it 6 split. Na-split niya yung 6 races niya sa ranking phase itong si McLaren. A trio of wins and losses. A trio of wins and a trio of losses. Split charities ang nangyari. Alright, split decision ang nangyari kay McLaren. Alright, race number 20, the penultimate race of our ranking phase in this Run and Gun Wednesday edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference will feature Setsuna taking on MP in our race number 20. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2. And defeat yung Super 2 kasi, kaya dito parang Super 2. Dito ko na po itahob na. Setsuna at lane 2, starting lane for MP is at lane 1. Alright, the penultimate race of our ranking phase, this Run and Gun Wednesday edition. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Magandang laban to, parang mabilis yan eh. Yan ang laban oh. MP ahead. Setsuna trying to catch up. Trying to steal the lead. Last two laps. On to the final lap. Sikit pa rin ang laban. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. OMG mga kadipat. Wow. What a race we have seen here in our race number 20 of the ranking phase. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's just a split second difference between Setsuna and MP, and in the end, it's going to be Setsuna emerging victorious over MP. Wow! What burst of speed and stability from both MP and Setsuna. Grabe, sabayan talaga ang nakita nating laban doon. Wow! Yan ang mga, yan ang astig na laban, no? Di lang naman makakita ng ganyan, oy. Wow. Wala man lang naimbang, oh. Wala man lang umembang. Talagang sayang yung efforts ni MP. Oh, sayang lang. Oh. Ang ganda na sana eh. Ganda na sana. That was a close call. Wow. So, ang last final score kay Setsuna ay 10 points. 10 points ulit, 4 wins, 2 draws, same as last Monday. Si MP, unfortunately, 2 points, baka matanggal ng maaga ito. 2 draws only with 4 losses. Sayang, narrow defeat yun at the expense of Setsuna. Wow! Grabe! What a race! What a race number 20 it was. And down to our final assignments in the ranking phase today. It's going to be Metalder taking on Polaris. And in this 21st and final race of the ranking phase, wherein Metalder starts at lane 1, Polaris starting at lane 2. Alright, this is the 21st and final race of the ranking phase this Run and Gun Wednesday. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Last two. Ay, patay. Okay, oh, winner. Panalo na. Polaris wins. Laser arm. Laser arm si Metalder. Wala na, hindi ko na masasalo yun, hindi ko na mahabol. Pagod na yung lolo nyo. And Polaris will close out the ranking phase tonight with a victory, with an upset victory over Metalder. Nag-backfire yung laser arm. Duru! Buti na lang, yun lang yung talo ni Metalder, nakapuno na ng maaga. Hindi, kay Setsuna pala natalo siya. Dalawa na yun. Dalawang pulang marka. And a hit. That's a hit, definitely. So, dito na yan. The fourth hit. The fourth and final hit of the ranking phase. Ay. Itang kumabit na gagamba. Tinatanggal lang natin Okay. At the end of our ranking phase today, it's going to be like this. So just flash it here. So Metalder will finish 3 wins, 2 losses and 1 draw. Setsuna finishing 4 wins and 2 draws. McLaren 3 wins and 3 losses. MP with 4 losses and 2 draws. Polaris with 1 win, 3 losses and 2 draws. Venom with 4 wins and 2 losses. And Myrick with 2 wins, 3 losses, and 1 draw. So making it this score, as we take a look at this crosshatch, we had 4 hits. 4 of the 21 races ended in a hit. And yan po yung mga nangyari, yung mga naging scoring. So it's going to be Setsuna and Venom. The Dark Warriors will be finishing this ranking phase as outright semifinalists. And garnering the top 2 spots with 10 and 8 total points respectively. And Metalder will finish third as number 3 as the third seeded car with a total of 7. And finishing fourth is McLaren with a total of 6. In fifth seed is Myrick with a total of 5. And Polaris number 6 with a total of 4. And unfortunately for MP, being the lowest scoring car for today, unfortunately, eliminated po to si MP ngayong araw. Maagang masisibak dahil siya may pinakamababang score. Only 2 points due to that couple of draws. 2 draws and 4 loss record. 2 draws, 4 losses na record na kartada. Unfortunately, siya may pinakamababa. Kaya siya yung maunang masisibak ngayong gabi. Alright. So, we're going to the knockout stage right away dahil wala namang puntang katabla-tabla. So, sets na top. Yun ang quarters 1 natin, 4 versus 5. Tapos yung susunod yun. Pero this time, ano na? Lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1. Ganun po mangyayari. So, we started at lane 1, we'll finish it at lane 1. Ganun po mangyayari. Alright. Sets na in Venom at top 2. Number 3 is going to be Metalder. And number 6 is Polaris. So, yung huling naglaban pala sa ano natin. So, yung huling naglaban pala sa ranking pace natin ngayong gabi, sila rin ang magkalaban sa ating quarterfinals number 2. Mag-rematch pala sila. So, ibig sabihin, may rebalancing mangyayari sa quarters 2 between Metalder and Polaris. Sila yung huling naglaban sa ano natin, ranking pace. Alright. So, moving on with our knockout stage at our Philippine Standard Time of... What time is it? I think that's just 6:30, I guess. It's only 6:13. Oh my goodness. We're fast. It's almost 1 hour. Almost 1 hour pa lang tayo mga kadipat. Halos isang oras na po tayong nagkakarera dito sa Dipats Tamilig. And yet that fast, ha? Napakabilis natin. Nandito na tayo sa ating KO stage. Minom ng tubig. Alright. So, moving on with our KO stage tonight. Our first quarterfinals matchup will feature McLaren taking on Merrick. It's 4 versus 5 matchup. For the right to face Setsuna. Let's see if McLaren can renew its old-time rivalry against Setsuna this time around in our semifinals number 1 later on. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2 rather. And Merrick will start at lane 1. Alright, 2-1, 2-1, 2-1. Ganun po yung knockout stage natin. Kapag sa ranking phase, ang una natin, lane 1. Lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1. Matatapos din na lane 1. Ganun din sa knockout stage. Kasi 6 lang yung laban. Quarters 1, quarters 2, semis 1, semis 2, then race for third, and then championship race. So, re-resume lang natin yung bilang from race number 21 kanina. Alright. Alright mga kadipat, still you're watching Dipats Tamilig Stock Motor Conference on a Run and Gun Wednesday evening of October 11, 2023. Isa't kalahating araw bago ang Biyernes 13. So again sa mga nanonood po ngayon, ang announcement ko po, ngayon ko po i-announce, ang Evening with Dipat Aguilar is out. Pahinga po muna yung Evening with Dipat Aguilar on Friday. So, babalik na lang po tayo dun sa live guitar jamming sessions natin on next Friday, October 20. So, papahinga lang po muna ang inyong lingkod sa Biyernes. So, wala po tayong Evening with Dipat Aguilar. This Friday, October 13, pahinga lang po muna tayo. Okay? Siyempre, everybody needs a break, you know? Everybody needs help. Everybody needs a break. Okay? Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time to start off our KO stage with this quarterfinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Boom! Alright! Last two. Will there be an upset victory at the final lap? Let's see if this is an upset victory. Oh my goodness! Wow! Grabe naman ito mga kadipat. Wow! What a way to finish that quarterfinals number 1 with an upset, with a major upset victory by Merrick over McLaren. And for the first time this month of October 2023, McLaren will be booted out early in this knockout stage Yon. With an upset victory by Merrick over McLaurin. Ayun. Napasukan ni Madam Cobalt Vitas. Nagtuloy-tuloy pa si Mary. Nagtino. When needed the most, bigla pang nagtino. Durog. Wow. Grabe. Wow. What a way to start off that KO stage tonight. Wow. Barbecue. Instant barbecue. Inabot ni McLaurin. Aray ko po. Alright mga kadipat, it's now time for our quarterfinals number 2 rematch from the last race in the ranking phase between Metalder and Polaris one more time. It's going to be Metalder versus Polaris one more time in this quarterfinals number 2 after that race number 21 kung saan nanalo si Polaris by hit. Let's see kung sa race quarterfinals duel na ito talagang may sure ball na mananalo. Kanina kasi hit ang nangyari. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung talagang karera hanggang duluhan mangyayari dito. Walang foul. No harm, no foul. No harm, no foul talaga. Let's see. So, in this quarterfinals number 2, since Metalder has the higher seed, number 3 siya, number 6 si Polaris, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2 again. Yun din yung naging starting lanes nila kanina sa race number 21 natin. Alright. Dragon's Breath, activate. Shout out to Sir Bernard de Guzman or kay Sir Beats de Guzman. Shout out po saka sa buong MSR. Sila yung nag-coin ng Dragon's Breath eh. Talagang naging effective yun sa mga ilan. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our quarterfinals number 2. Switch on. Masaya to. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Okay. Last 2. Final lap. Laser arms. Wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin makascore si Polaris. Durog. So, it's going to be BZ versus Super 2 ang mangyayari sa ating semifinals match up. Hindi matutuloy yung Super 2, all Super 2 match up sa semis 2. It's going to be the same. Both semis 1 and semis 2 will be BZ versus Super 2. Chassis war ang mangyayari. Okay, shout out pala kay MC Abad Santos ha. Kay MC Agagala Abad Santos, shout out sa'yo. Ikaw pasimuno ng chassis war eh. Diyan sa Basic Max may chassis wars, di ba? Teka. Before we proceed, before we announce the winner, check muna tayo. Tama. Nung una kasi hit talaga yung nangyari. Pero this time, talagang sinigurado na niya na talagang nahirapan na si Polaris. And unfortunately for Polaris, Polaris will be booted out early upon upon its defeat at the expense of Metalder. Again, Metalder with the opportunity to add more points on its aggregates and returning to the semifinals against a mighty opponent in Venom. So, takbuhang lasing ang mangyayari sa ating semifinals number 2 ngayong Run and Gun Wednesday evening sa DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Grabe to. Grabe to. BZ versus Super 2 ang mangyayari. BZ chassis versus Super 2 chassis ang mangyayari sa ating semifinals. Let's start off with our semifinals number 1. The top-seeded Setsuna taking on the number fifth seed, yes. 1 versus 5 matchup once again between Setsuna and Merrick. Yan. So sa matchup na to, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2 and Merrick starting at lane 1. I think yun din natin yung mga starting lane nila kanina. If I'm not mistaken. I-check ko na lang dun sa replay. I think the same. O iba, baliktad. Ewan ko. Anyway, 2 lane lang naman yun. Kaya madali 50-50 na there's a 50-50 chance na tama o mali tayo. Alright. Okay, Dragon's Breath tayon. Wala mo, seryoso, no? Playoffs na kaya okay lang po yung mga Dragon's Breath na yon. Kasi single elimination na po eh. Alright mga kadipat, we are now in our semifinals of the KO stage to be started right away with the semifinals number 1. Switch on. Super 2 versus BC Chassis Part 1. Ready, set, bye. Set ko na ahead. Tumahabol si Mirik. Ay, patay. Final lap. Okay. Instant. Grabe namang yon. And Setsuna will emerge victorious on that close encounter against Merrick, making its first championship race appearance this October 2023. Setsuna may pagkakataong makates o makados sa ating championship race ngayong gabi. Grabe, 2 or 3 plus 2 or plus 3 mangyayari kay Setsuna mamaya upon entering the finals. Guaranteed plus 2. Kung matatalo, plus 2. Kung manalo, plus 3. Alright. In the meantime, takbuhang lasing naman ang mangyayari sa pagitan naman ni Venom, the second seeded car, against the third seeded car, Metalder. So, traditional 2 versus 3 matchup. In our semis 2, again, another battle of Super 2 chassis between Super 2 chassis and VZ chassis coming your way in this semis 2, wherein Venom starts at lane 1. And Metalder will start at lane 2. Again, Metalder at lane 2, Venom at lane 1. Alright. Yung mga starting lane po nila. Takbuang lasing ang labanan natin. Kaya hipan maputi yung motor. Yan ang Dragon's Breath. Alright mga kadipat, it's now time for our semifinals number 2. Switch on. Takbuhang lasing na laban. Ready, set, bye. Sabi sa'yo, takbuhang lasing eh. Pag may umimbang, lasing ha. Pag may umimbang dyan, lasing yun. Final lane changer. Final lap. Laser arm. Laser arm. Laser arm. Yun din. BZ versus Super 2 pa rin talaga. Hanggang duluhan. Oh my goodness. Wow. And it's going to be Metalder returning to the championship race tonight against Setsuna once again. So back-to-back finals stints for both Setsuna and Metalder against each other for this week. Actually, completing this week na sila ang magkalaban sa championship race. But let's see if Setsuna can settle a score, can even the score against Metalder later on in this championship race, this run and gun Wednesday evening. And in the meantime, it's going to be race for third between the second seeded Venom taking on the fifth seeded Merrick. So mamaya 1 versus 3 ang mangyayari sa ating championship race. And in this race for third this time around, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Merrick starting at lane 1. O yun po yung mga starting lanes nila sa ating race for third. Sayang. Pwede pa sa kung talagang hindi lang tayo nadaan sa matinding pagsubok, nakakapagkarera pa sana tayo. Pero sige, sana nga lang it's never too late. Sana hindi pa huli ang lahat kung sakali, no? Sana pagdating ng January maging balik sa normal na yung lahat, no? Let's just pray for the best. Hindi lang yung mga sarili natin, kundi yung mga iba natin mga kababayan, lalo na yung mga yung mga naiipit sa digmaan sa Israel. Pagdasal po natin lahat ng ating mga kababayan po roon. Pray for all or for everyone's safety out there. Alright. Yung dalawang busy, si Merrick at Metalder, ang ginagamit nila, yung mga pambahay, pang team bahay na setup. Yung mga pang team labas na setup, tinago na po ng inyong likod. Pati si MP, ganun din. Pero yung Setsuna at Venom, talagang pang panlabas. O yun na talaga kasi wala namang ibang replacement. Now, alright, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third. This Run and Gun Wednesday evening right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. First to 6 laps, switch on. Alright, ready, set, bye. Okay. Sabi. Lasing. Last lane finger. Final lap. KO. Winner. Too easy. And Venom will secure a third place finish today. And Venom will add 1 point on its aggregate score, increasing its lead. A total of 7 na para kay Venom at the end of 2 weeks ngayong October 2023. Ngayong October Fest po natin. So unfortunately, Mirik hindi pa makakascore dahil 4th place lang. Pero ang maganda lang doon, kasali pa rin siya sa Monday. Alright. Down to our one last duel tonight on the DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. It's a rematch once again from last Monday's championship race. It's going to be Setsuna setting a rematch against Metalder, but this time Setsuna has the higher seed against Metalder in this rematch in the championship race. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. Again, Setsuna at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2, yun pong kanilang mga respective starting lanes. Bang klase ito. Rematch na to. This week, sila ang finals pala. Parang yung Venom Setsuna nung nakarang September. First week of September. Ngayon naman, second week of October. Wow. Akala nyo, stock conference, parang boring ha. Never underestimate the power of stock motor. Sabay ka na rin ha. So, it's going to be Laser Arm versus Hades Blade. Mangyayari dito. Hades Blade versus Laser Arm. Magandang laban to. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our championship race to culminate our festivities on our Run and Gun Wednesday evening here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. First to 6 laps. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. 5 or 6 points, matatapos si Metalder pa rin ito. Patay. Taito. Laser arm pa rin. Ayun, relay pa more. Na-jinx. I jinxed it. My bad, my bad. My bad. My bad. Alright, my bad. Bigla akong na-jinx mga kadipat. Kala ko laser arm na eh. Kala ko laser arm na eh. Ka-down thrust ko pala. Kailangan mag-down thrust ako rito kay Setsuna. Teka. Teka. Down thrust muna ako, oy. Alright, first of 2 restarts in our championship race. Race to 6 lang talaga. All the way. Ready, set, bye. Last two. Uy, patay. Same lang. Final lap. Okay, hindi na lang pala. Laser arm! Tama, kasi ano yun eh. Si Setsu na lane 1, tapos lane 2 si Metal. Tama yun, tama. Laser arm! And still, our champion po after tonight's race day here on D-Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, still the Aeromantary Red J-Cup clad Metalder, the red, the fighting red, blue, and chrome, emerging victorious one more time, adding 3 more points on its aggregate score, garnering the championship throne once more, or retaining its championship throne rather. Nanatili sa kanyang trono itong si Metalder. Umubra pa rin ang laser arm kontra sa Hades Blade ni Setsuna, but still not bad for Setsuna either. Setsuna with a back-to-back second place finish as well. Back-to-back championship this time for Metalder. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Ibang klase. Ay, apa. Grabe to. Grabe to mga kadipat. What a way to end up a week of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action right here on D-Pads Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with our champion of the week, Metalder, with the back-to-back championship against the same opponent in Setsuna. So these two ang naging mga finalists ngayong week na ito, October 9 and October 11. So Metalder garnering the championship once again, back-to-back championships na yan. So 1 point na lang ang hinahabol niya kay Venom actually. So itong dalawang to, sina Venom at Metalder, sila yung top 2 aggregate scorers natin for the month of October 2023, with Venom with 7 points and Metalder with 6. So 7 against 6, 1 point separating those two cars actually. Oh my goodness. Wow, after tonight's race day, that is. On the other end, congratulations to Setsuna as well. Back-to-back second place finishes for Setsuna, making it a total of 4 on aggregate, tied with McLaren with 4 apiece. On the other end, Venom adding 1 point on its aggregate score, cementing its hold to the aggregate scoring lead. Aggregate score standing on top of the mountain, still in command with 7 total. Against Metalder 6. So dalawang magkaibang champion. Last week it was Venom. This week it's going to be Metalder winning the championship. Alright. Last week si Venom back to back. Ngayong week na to, second week, back to back naman si Metalder. So yung lightning web naman, yung atang laser arm ang namamayagpag sa mga sandaling ito. Grabe. Ginawa talagang napaka-interesting yun. It's much more interesting right now habang papainit ang labanan sa ating D-Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And that will do it. These are the podium finishers for the day's Run and Gun Wednesday edition of D-Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference to close out tonight's edition. And this has been Don Patrick D. Peregular signing off for now. And thank you so much to all who watched. And whoever will watch anytime on our video log every Monday and Wednesday live at 5 p.m. onwards, right here inside D-Pats Laboratory in the city of Ordinera and Pangasinan, particularly in Barangay Anonas. Yeah. Alright. So once again, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities and toxicity around you, and protect yourself from all those things at all times and at all costs. As always, mga kadipat, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe, especially mga naiipit sa mga digmaan, yung mga gustong makauwi sa Pilipinas, patnubayan po sana ng Panginoon at makauwi po sila lang ligtas, matuloy yung kanilang repatriation. Yan, so that maging safe sila from any harm. Alright, we wish them nothing but the best. Alright. So, nothing but their safety as well. The best thing na makuha nila is safety. Alright, as always mga kadipat, this has been Don Patrick D. Patagular, leaving you a pleasant and blessed Run and Gun Wednesday evening to all of you. And as always, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. And once again, this has been another presentation of another set of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action right here on D-Pat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. For now mga kadipat, this has been Don Patrick D. Patagular saying, Shukran to Sentak.